Have you ever wondered what really happens when you order a Big Mac? Well, today you will learn in 10 things that happen when you order a Big Mac. Number 10, the cashier will take your order into account. Hopefully, nothing will go wrong, but sometimes things go horribly wrong. But that's unlikely. Sometimes the cashier will write your order into the computer, but ultimately, that order is told to the chef. Number 9, you give the cashier your money. On average, Big Macs in America cost about $4 US. $4 US is not a lot of money. Most people can afford it. So, you give that amount of money to the cashier, and the Big Mac is on its way. Number 8, the cashier puts your money in the cash register. You hand over your probably $4 US to the or whatever currency you have to the cashier, and the cashier puts your money in the cash register, whether that's through credit card or physical money. With physical money, the cash is put in the physical register. With credit or debit cards or even a gift card, that cash is not physically put into the register, but McDonald's will receive the money anyways. Number 7, the Big Mac is prepared. The chef will piece together your Big Mac in the kitchen. I will not delve into full detail of the burger making process, but Matt Garland has an amazing video on this topic. You can watch it right now. I've got the link in the description. Number 6, you wait as your Big Mac is being prepared. McDonald's is a popular fast food restaurant chain in America. Fast food. That means your food will be prepared in a relatively quick time. You will wait for about like a minute or two. You can wait near the counter of the McDonald's. You can also wait at your seat and wait for your order to be called up. You can pretty much wait wherever you want. You just need to wait where you can hear your order number be called. Number 5, you receive the Big Mac. Your order number or your name will be called, and you will come up to the counter and receive the Big Mac. The Big Mac will come in a container. You will need to open the container to find the Big Mac. You will also receive anything else you ordered. Number 4, McDonald's will be thankful for your order. That approximate $4 US you spent on that Big Mac will be distributed throughout the McDonald's Corporation. First, a portion of your money will be received by the people who work at the McDonald's you ordered your Big Mac from. The rest of the money will go to the higher ups, and they will be thankful. Number 3, you will transport your Big Mac. This one is rather flexible. You can transport your Big Mac pretty much everywhere. You can transport your Big Mac to places such as the table in the McDonald's, your car, or, like I said, pretty much everywhere. Number 2, you will likely consume your Big Mac. Now, this one's a bit controversial. Some people order a Big Mac for somebody else and give that Big Mac for somebody else to consume. Other people never go through the process of consuming the Big Mac at all. If you do not consume your Big Mac, please share in the comments down below what you do instead. And finally, number 1. But before I read that, you should subscribe and like this video. Okay, number 1. You will regret your decision of ordering your Big Mac. I mean, you could have ate like fish in a salad. That would have been a much healthier meal. You should be ashamed of yourself. Of course, a Big Mac is relatively cheap, but you can still acquire meals for the same price that are healthier. So next time you go out and order a Big Mac, keep these 10 facts in mind. Thanks for watching.